Oh, okay. You're gonna fall like that? Fine then. Today, we're finally gonna test the sandblaster on the models. We're gonna use this model first because this is just a test model. So, without further ado, let's get to work. So I've kind of worked out that it works better when the needle is at the top, near the top, because that's when I get the most out of the pressurized air compressor. So it's done most of this, done an amazing job. The good thing is I don't need all the paint removed. I just need a big layer of it removed, and then I can sand it myself. So yeah, this is working out better than I thought. Yes! Finally, we have something to remove paint. I have been stressed out about this, but we have it. We have something we can work with, and I'm goddamn excited about it. So, guys, in the next few videos, we'll have more model car content coming out. So, I'll see you in the next one.